time for Miko. Always start the water away from the cat. Sometimes they'll startle. This guy, he's used to it, obviously. Got a leash on him, so if he decides he's gonna get crazy, we just step away. You're a good boy. Water. Start it low. Start it somewhere non-threatening. Let them get used to it for a minute. The trick with cats is just not to make anything too dramatic. Stay away from their face. Even a cat who likes a bath doesn't like water in their face. I know this cat, so I can get in and I can lift him up and move him around. If you don't know the cat, you don't know how he's reacting, or if he's obviously reacting stressed out and crazy. Do not put your hands in there. Hands off. It's not worth a bite. Conditioning. You just want to kind of get in there and out of there quickly. No need to drag it out. Product, more than dog hair. Don't use more shampoo, more conditioner than you have to. And even though you want to be quick, just be mindful that you need to be a little more thorough when you're rinsing. He likes it. Don't use a force dryer on a cat unless you like to clean up cat pee. Just towel them off good and blow air on them in the cage.